Good morning, student. I am Devin Chaturvedi, your maths teacher, and today I am introducing you a new chapter, triangles and their properties. In this video, I have covered angle sum of property of triangle and exterior property of triangle, along with triangle and its part. So, student, what is triangle? Triangle is a closed figure having three line segments. A geometrical figure having three line segment and it is closed, it's called triangle. And you have to read in previous class types of triangle, so I will not discuss here. The name of the triangle is ABC, and the part of triangles are: number one, vertices; second, sides; and third, angles. So the vertices of triangle: vertex A, vertex B, and vertex C. The side of triangles are AB, BC, and CA or AC. And the angles of triangles are angle A or angle BAC or angle CAB, angle B or angle ABC or angle CBA. The middle any vertex is shown the angle C or angle ACB or angle BCA. These are the parts of triangle. But what is the opposite side of angle A? Here is a new concept you have to taught. Side opposite to angle A. Side opposite to angle A. Angle A here, the side opposite to angle A is called BC. And side opposite to angle B, and side opposite to angle B is AC. And side opposite to angle C is AB. So these terms are related to triangle. You mark this. The second point of triangle and their property is sum of angle of a triangle. Here is a theorem. The sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So student, this is the interior portion of triangle ABC. We need to prove angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 100 degree. Since in triangle ABC, draw DAE parallel to BC. In this triangle, you have to construct DAE parallel to BC. Mark the angle 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now DE parallel BC and AB and AC as transversal. So DE parallel BC and AB transversal. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Alternate interior angles. We have discussed earlier parallel lines. So you know about alternate interior angle by watching the previous video. And angle 3 is equal to angle 5 with the same relation, alternate interior angles. So student, but angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Reason, angles lie on a straight line. Substitute angle 4 by angle 2 and angle 1 remains same, and again substitute angle 5 by angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. That's why the name of angle 1 is angle A according to triangle, and angle 2 is angle B, and angle 3 is angle C is equal to 180 degree. So student, this is the proof of sum of all interior angle become 180 degree. So student, the third point, the exterior property. Theorem number 2, if a side of triangle is produced, like in triangle ABC, if a side of triangle is produced, let the side BC is produced or extended to point D, an exterior angle is formed. This is an exterior angle. Which is equal to sum of the opposite interior angle. The interior angle, these are the interior angle, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and this is exterior angle, this is 4. So sum of two opposite interior angle, angle 1 and 2, or angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. We need to prove this one. Now proof. Since we know that angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree, linear pair, this is then equation number 1, and angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree by angle sum of property, angles sum property. So therefore angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. These left hand side is equal to left hand side because both sides are equal to 180 degree. Now cross the same angle, angle 3 and angle 3. Therefore angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. name of the angle 4 is exterior angle ACD equal to interior angle A plus angle B. This is the proof of exterior theorem. Sum of an exterior angle of a triangle is an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of the two opposite interior angle, sum of two interior opposite angle. So student, I hope you will understand these two property and take a regular practice of these two property. This will be introduced in your next classes as well. If you have a doubt, then we will discuss in our live classes. Thank you.